Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna draw trees. For the first tree, I'm gonna draw an ellipse. Like this. I draw the tree trunk. And I'm gonna draw curly lines for the leaves. I draw drop shapes for the leaves. 1, 2, 1, and I erase the excess. For the second tree, I'm gonna draw 2 circles, but one of them is smaller than the other. 1, 2, and I draw tree trunk here, and I'm gonna draw curly lines for the leaves. And I erase the excess. I'm gonna draw the leaves with drop shape. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. I'm gonna draw the third tree here. I'm gonna draw 2 circles the same size. One and 2. Another circle for the top of the tree. And I erase the excess. I'm gonna draw the tree trunk with branches. Curly lines for the leaves. Now I'm gonna draw drop shape for the leaves. And I erase the excess for the curly lines. Now trace over it with a felt tip marker. That's it. I hope you like it. Please support us with like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.